Now, you may have heard the term of Mirri card. It's actually Mirri card stock from our friends at Hunkydory. This is a brand new paper collection. There are 3 designs. You get 10 of each. And let me show you. These are in the A4 size. And so I'm going to turn these horizontally. Now, the Mirri is a super shiny paper that Hunkydory prints on. And it gives you this highly reflective, really shiny and metallic look. Now, this particular sheet, now remember, you're going to get 10 of them, has it from the yellow to the pink. Very pretty. The second one goes from green, or kind of a teal, over to blue. Just gorgeous. And the third one looks like this. It's a lighter kind of pink or orchid to a darker purple. So you get several colors in all of these sheets. So that works out nicely. By my count, you've got 6 colors in these A4 sheets. They are called the Mirri Card Specials Glitter Ombre, and they are here and very fun to use from our friends at Hunkydory.